everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's look is a little bit different, as you can see from my face. And right now I'm also hoping no one comes to the door because I am not answering it looking like this. My look is inspired by Thanos, who, if you don't know, is the villain in the last two Avengers films. Everyone always seems to like when I do Avengers themed makeup or inspired look, so I thought I would have a go at this. I have to admit it looks even weirder now I'm talking, but I've sort of done like a half face mask type of thing. So half of it is Thanos as he's in the film, and then this side is more of a glam sort of look using the colours. I just thought this would be a fun way to do it rather than doing a full face of purple. But I'm quite pleased with how it turned out. So if you would like to see how I did this look and the products used, make sure you carry on watching. So that is my finished Thanos half face type of makeup thing. I don't really know how to explain it, it's really hard. I actually found this a lot harder to do getting the purple on. As you can see, it's not quite even, but I forgot that I used a more dewy foundation underneath rather than a matte, which would have worked so much better. That's just how it is. It still worked, and you can still see I didn't have any purple face paint, so I couldn't use that. I'm actually quite pleased with how it's turned out, and I think it looks quite effective. It would be really good if you're going to maybe a cosplay event or even just waiting for Halloween. I know we're a little bit early, but I like Halloween, so. So I hope you like this Thanos inspired look, and you also have to let me know what other film characters I should do, or basically what videos you would like to see on my channel. I also like to put out how white does it make my eyes look. Like, that is ridiculous. I think I need to wear purple more. Apparently it looks quite good. But anyway, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another. Bye!